Yeah, finally found a pretty much 100% working solution for one of the biggest problems on Kapwing.com, the video editor, and that's when you want to render a video and at the very end it says troubleshooting or it will never end. And I make this full screen or fit to screen. You can see it's a rather small, short, easy project. It's around 5 minutes and we have just 3 or 4 tracks, and actually everything is very simple, so it shouldn't be a problem. But I've tried to export that and you can see how many times I've tried over and over again in different resolutions, different quality, and nothing worked. But now I found a solution. I mean, of course it's a compromise, but I've been able to finish the videos. So what have I done? It's actually very simple. Unfortunately, I can't show you that live because now I'm screen recording, and that's also what I've been doing. I've just been screen recording this so I can show you the second version. This is the original version. I mean, there were actually 2 steps, but I think it's not needed. I think it would work in just 1 step, but you can also do 2 steps. The first step is always a good thing, I think, when you try to render, for example, the first video track, because the first video track is usually a complete track. As far as it's possible, at least I do it always like that. So the first track is always a complete track. So what you can do, make a copy and then remove everything on track 2, 3, 4, whatsoever. So you just have 1 track and then try to render it. If that works, that could already be a huge improvement. So I've done this. I'm switching to the copy, or pretty much copy of this project. So now you can see that here. That's what I've done. That's the output of the rendering process of just track 1. So I put this here, and so I was hoping that it would work like that. But as you can see, it gave me still some video troubleshooting and some other rendering processes which were stuck for hours, or at least more than 1 hour, and I think this will never finish, or after a couple of hours will also end with video troubleshooting. So that was not the solution, or not the only solution. What actually helped finally, that was actually a solution regarding track 2. Of course, you cannot just leave track 2 here. I mean, of course you could copy it to a new project, put it at the beginning, then try to render. I tried this and it also didn't work. So it looks like there's some problem with the track 2 here. That's this area here on the left side. That's a screen recording from my phone. So obviously Kapwing has a huge problem with this part here. So what have I done with that? So I went here at the start of this part here and started with a screen recording software. There are a lot of different screen recording softwares on the market. I think even Microsoft has some options. I'm personally using Bandicam, usually a pretty reliable solution. It's not totally free. Maybe there are also free solutions, I don't know. So what I've done here is just marking this area and then started the screen recording, and then I hit the play button here. So it was playing just normally. Usually the big problem, of course, is here when the player has to switch from one video clip to the next one. So it sometimes makes a little bit of a break, and that makes the screen recording a little bit longer than the real-time video was. That's a little bit of a problem. So what I did, I put the screen recorded part here. I think it was something like that. You can see a little bit longer than the original part. And of course you have to make sure that you really align the ends and then use the speed adjustment. That's a new function. And finally one which is really useful. So we can just grab the end and shorten the whole thing. So you're not cutting off something, you just make it running a little bit faster. So now it's running at 1.02x of the original speed, which makes it then exactly as long as the original one. So you don't have to cut out small things. But of course that only works for such parts here. If you need to screen record the whole thing, it could then be, of course, that the lips while speaking are a little bit out of sync. But I mean, usually I would say that's probably pretty hard to see. I'm pretty sure in 99% of all the cases, people won't see that, won't realize that it's a little bit out of sync. I mean, we are not doing professional videos here on Kapwing anyway, so that shouldn't be a problem. So I remove this thing again, and so you can see my final solution. This one here, pre-rendered track 1. This part here, screen recorded, and now you can see the export, while the old exports from 1 hour ago are still running. The new exports have been finished within 5 minutes. Now I have an extended version which had same problem, small clips, very short clips, here about 20, here 10, and so on and so on. And so I did exactly same thing, screen recorded this part, this part, this part, and replaced the original parts with the screen recorded part. And now I'm trying to export. It hasn't finished, but I'm pretty sure it will finish. By the way, I'm exporting here in the slow version, so it takes a little bit more time. By the way, this slow export can sometimes also help. Sometimes it makes it more prone to fail, because I think in the slow version they are using older servers with less memory, but sometimes it's worth to try with the slow and with the fast export. But anyway, I definitely had success here. That was super important for me, so I wanted to share this with you, because that's something which I've never seen, never heard. Also, of course, support is not mentioning that. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have an even better solution than that, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.